Hey everyone, welcome to the King's Omoefe TV. If you're new here, this is where we break down Nollywood, filmmaking, content creation, and all the tips that you need to grow as a filmmaker or as a content creator. Now, let me ask something quickly. Have you dreamed of seeing yourself in Nollywood on the screen? When they roll the screen at the cinema, have you dreamed of seeing your name there? Have you dreamed of being one of the key actors or have been a star in Nollywood? Or have you ever dreamt of being a top director in Nollywood? Or have you thought of you being the writer or the screenwriter of a major Nollywood blockbuster? Worry no more, because I've got you covered. I'm going to reveal 5 tips you're going to use to succeed as a newcomer in Nollywood. First and foremost, you need a plan. Right? You don't just wake up and say, I want to go become an actor, I want to go into Nollywood. You want to, you're going to strangle yourself. So you must basically have a plan, know where to start, how to start, who to meet, what to do, and what not to do. So basically have a plan. So it's not all about passion. Because I used to think it was all about passion. No, you need to have a strategy. Passion without direction is motion without progress. So basically have a plan, which is basically your strategy. So before you jump in, ask yourself, do I want to act? What do I want to do? I want to direct, or I want to work behind the scenes? What skill do I have? Right? Have you developed that skills? If you don't have any skills, you need to talk to people, you need to develop your scripts so I can know what you do. What is your long-term goal? You need to ask yourself, what's your long-term goal? This young guy that I used to know who basically was serving tea and helping people carry things all about the set and all that. So my executive producer took notice of him, and of course the producers took notice of him, and they now basically have a conversation. And before you know it, this guy is actually a trained filmmaker, but he didn't have the opportunity to be on set, so just came on set to come and just play around and of course basically get network. And that's how it is today. And today, this guy is a major filmmaker in this industry. So there are people like that. I know people who started as drivers, as security guards, to filmmaking houses, to post-production houses, but today they are key filmmakers in Nollywood. So basically, you don't have any reason not to start. But basically, like I said, you need to have a plan, which is basically have a very good strategy and will help you out. Number 2, networking is everything, right? I cannot overemphasize networking. Always be ready to network with people. Go wherever filmmakers are. Film festivals, film award ceremonies, name the AFRIF, AMA, everywhere they are doing anything about filmmaking. Even if you just hear people are just shooting a film somewhere, and just go there, stop by, talk to people, just see what people are doing and all that. That's also networking. Talk to directors, talk to the artists, make friends with them and all that. So, but like I always said, don't underestimate the power of network. Networking is very important. It's one of the best strategies you need to put yourself out there in Nollywood. Tip number 3. Patience is very, very key. Like I said, Nollywood and YouTube is a marathon, right? So you must be patient. Impatience will kill you quickly. So you must be very patient. Don't feel that you know it all. Don't feel that your growth is slow. Be patient with people, be patient with yourself, and grow nicely. Do the right thing at the right time, okay? So basically, trust the process. Don't compare yourself with others, okay? It's time for everybody. You can grow to just but just have a plan, have a strategy, plan your growth trust, your growth, your success path, so that you can grow. So basically, be very, very patient before you're going to come to the industry. Or tip number 4, know your worth. Don't undersell yourself, okay? Yes, because you want to do something, not because you want to be in that project, then you want to just undersell yourself. No, know your worth. By saying that, not about the money that they're paying you, but knowing about the value that project that you're going to be involved yourself in will bring to you as a person, right? Because if you're involved in a very good project, even if they didn't pay well, the next project or next film or next people will see it will really take note and they will pay you for all these years of pain. All the years you stayed in house of pain, you will be paid for those pain. Okay, so basically, don't undersell yourself. Go for value instead of quantity. Okay, and also make sure you are tagged with the right people. Tag yourself with the right people. So tip number 5: keep learning. Right? Keep learning. Learn. Go to film school. Go to film classes. Go to film festival master classes. Get ready to be mentored. Get ready to be coached by people. Read a lot about the industry. Read about what you want to do. Intend with people, serve people, be a very good follower. When you become a very good follower, then you're going to be a good leader. So basically, learn. Either formally or informally, it's very important that you learn your skills, learn acting skills, learn filmmaking, learn the business of filmmaking, learn about Nollywood. But the most important thing, learn. Think for making it faster. 1, start small, think big. Take minor role, be an extra, use the opportunity of being an extra, grow, know people and connect yourself. That will be your stepping stone. Might not be your stepping stone to bigger roles and bigger opportunities. So number 2, build a strong portfolio, right? Get a good portfolio, because it's mainly going to give you more casting roles or more casting opportunities. Get professional headshots, update your resume, and showcase your work in any how you can, right? Also, tip number 3, be prepared for rejection. Always be ready to hear no. The no's that you hear are going to be more than the yeses. So basically, always prepare yourself. You cannot even count the number of times I heard no in this industry. But 1 yes will always cover for all the plenty no's that I've heard. So keep pushing, keep doing the right thing. Prepare yourself. You're going to hear no all the time. Okay. Tip number 4: leverage on social media, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Put up your free your audition tapes up there. You can also download free audition tapes and materials. Use them wisely. Use them to learn how to put your monologues out there. Join casting and platform. There are a lot of platforms on Instagram and Facebook that does calls for casting or for auditions. Casting calls on NG's one. Casting Place Africa and that I know auditions are lots in that place they can go to. But basically, you can join the community there and you can see casting posts where they post casting and audition notices where you can also go for audition. So you can learn from there, leverage from there. Now, tip number 5: find a mentor. Having someone to guide you through will make you not fall into mistakes that will make you fall into pitfalls. These are some things that we didn't learn from the beginning, so we made a lot of mistakes. So basically, the idea of this show, of this episode, is to make sure that you don't fall into those mistakes that we fell into at the beginning. So this is one of the ideas or one of the reasons why this show is on for upcoming or new beginners in Nollywood. Okay, so talking about mistakes, I'm going to talk about mistakes that I made and how you can avoid them. So let's look at what were some of those mistakes that I made. For me, it was all about passion. I didn't understand the business of Nollywood, so I didn't take it seriously as a business at the beginning. But I'll tell you what, now that you know Nollywood is business, so take it as such. Mistake number 2, thinking that talent is enough. Initially, I was thinking that my talent is enough. No, talent is not enough. Talent will take you very far, but not very, very far. But hard work and connection and doing the right thing will give you success. Mistake number 3, ignoring personal brand. For me, I didn't see any reason why I should have a personal brand. I had a lot of change of names at the beginning, plenty names I used, but after I realized that I need to have a personal brand, I started working towards it. It's work in progress for me, but for you as an actor, dating in front of the screen, you need to work on your personal brand. So it's for the problem for me at the beginning. Even as a cinematographer, as a director, as a producer, whatever it is that you're doing, whether in front of camera or behind the camera, you need to have your personal brand. It could be maybe the way you speak, or the way you talk, or the way you dress, or the way you do your things, basically. But build a personal brand. that will help you help you grow success in Nollywood. Mistake number 4. I was not being prepared for the grind. Well, initially I was not prepared. I was like, I just do them and all that. At the end of the day, you must be prepared, knowing that Nollywood is not a 9-to-5 job, right? And meaning that there's no salary. Salary is not consistent. Salary is not regular. Your job is not regular, so you must ready to work long hours, hustle to the grind. Nollywood is known to work longer hours than any other film industry in the world. So basically, prepare for the grind. Mistake number 5: don't asking for help. Initially, I don't feel that I thought I could do it on my own. I didn't want to ask people for help. I just want to just do it as the way I go and all that. But I was forgetting that Nollywood is a community, right? It's like a family, so you need help from everybody. People need your help just like you need people's help. So basically, if you need help from people and you need to grow, you need basically to ask for help, ask for assistance. Not like begging, but of course, put yourself out there, talk to people, tell people what you can do. Send your resume or your film clips and everything to producers, to director and all that. So basically just ask for help. So it's very, very important for you not to ask for help. It's a very big mistake actually. Alright, let's recap. I hope I've been doing well. If you feel you've been learning one or two things from what I've said so far, of course go to the comments and send me a message. I'll definitely respond as soon as possible. Also, don't forget to subscribe. So let's recap. Number 1, have a plan, okay? Know where you are going. Number 2, network like your career depends on it, because it does. Number 3, be patient. It's a long game. Number 4, know your worth. Don't accept every offer. Number 5, keep learning, never stop growing. Which of these hits home for you? Drop a comment below. Alright, that's it guys. It's a wrap. For me, it's a wrap for you guys. So if you got value from this video, from this content, you know the right thing to do. Subscribe, go to the comments section, make some comment there, write any information, anything you need to know, let me know. Hit the button, subscribe for more Nollywood tips, okay? If you know anybody or you know any family members that you think that they need this information, please don't forget to share this information with them. For more tips on Nollywood, stay right here. So before we go, let me ask a question. If you would star in a Nollywood film, what kind of role would you want to play? Would you want to be in the front of the camera or behind the camera? In front of the camera, do you want to be an action hero or a lover boy or a lover girl? If behind the camera, do you want to be a director, a producer, a cinematographer, a makeup person? Just name it. Just put it right there on the comments and I'll get back to you. Thank you for watching. This is King Omoefe TV signing out now. God bless and have a good time. Bye. Thank you. God bless.